believe it or not. Just so you guys have a visual on what a new one looks like. It's kind of hard to see, but they're wearing evenly, everything's sweet. Even down there. No point changing stuff if you don't need to. Drum seems pretty sweet. No scoring. I dare say these have been done recently. Like, there's a little groove here, but nothing crazy. So the way I like to adjust this is to chuck the wheel back on actually and do it, because you can do enough, or you can get enough play like this, but the reality is you need that weight. So that's what I'm going to do.